Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever tried logging into your MetaTrader account only to be hit with that dreaded authorization failed message, don't worry, you're definitely not alone. This is one of the most common issues traders face, and while it can be annoying, the good news is that it's usually easy to fix once you know what's going on. So today, I'll walk you through what causes this error and how to resolve it quickly, so you can get back to trading without any interruptions now. The authorization failed error basically means MetaTrader is connecting to your broker's server, but your login credentials aren't being accepted. In simple terms, the app recognizes your broker's server, but it can't verify your identity because of incorrect login details, wrong server selection, or expired credentials. The most common cause is typing errors in your username or password. Make sure caps lock is turned off and that you're not confusing similar characters like the letter O and the number 0. Or lowercase l and the number 1. Also, be careful when copying and pasting credentials, sometimes hidden. Spaces can cause the login to fail. Another big cause is choosing the wrong broker server. Brokers usually have different servers for demo and live accounts, so if you try logging into a demo account using a live server, it'll reject your request. Always double-check the server name from your broker's welcome email. If you can't find it, you can click Scan for servers inside MetaTrader to refresh the list. If you're using a demo account, keep in mind that those accounts often expire after a few weeks or months of inactivity. If yours is expired, you'll need to create a new one. And if you recently changed your password or your broker reset it for security reasons, make sure to update it in MetaTrader. Sometimes the problem isn't even on your end. Broker servers can go down temporarily for maintenance or experience congestion during high trading volume. In those cases, it's best to wait a few minutes or contact your broker's support team to confirm if there's an ongoing issue. Lastly, make sure your MetaTrader app is up to date. Older versions may have compatibility issues with newer server security protocols. Restarting the app or your device can also help clear out temporary glitches that might interfere with the login process. So, to recap, double-check your login info, confirm you're on the correct server. Make sure your account is active, and ensure MetaTrader is updated. Following these simple checks usually fixes the authorization failed error in no time. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more trading tech guides. Drop a comment below if you're still facing issues, and I'll be happy to help you troubleshoot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.